During the beginning of COVID, my brother-in-law, Richard, who you see in the beginning of this video, he's really good with carpentry and construction. That's what he does for a living. And during COVID, we were kind of stuck at the house, so I asked him if he'd help me build a 10 by 12 recording studio in the backyard. So he kind of helped me, and away we went. So anyways, we continued. I knew exactly how I kind of wanted the inside to be. I wanted a closet on the left, to the left of the console, where I could put all my rack equipment. That would help my access to all the back of the equipment that I had, that I could get to from the closet, from disconnecting and connecting stuff, and had a pass-through from the closet underneath that allowed me to get cables to the mixing console. So all that cedar on the top, on the roof, that took forever, climbing up and down ladders and cutting it. Got a little air conditioner for the summer, which of course I turn off during recording. But I use this as a rehearsal room as well. All of the foam seems to work really well for keeping the reflections down, keeping the noise down. It's pretty quiet in this one building. It's in the backyard of our house. You can see I got PA speakers on the top and a little PA mixer toward the bottom of that rack, and use that for rehearsals, playing back some of the audio that I've recorded if I don't want to just listen through my monitors. And of course, through that closet you can get access to all of the rack gear from the back, and then it all kind of goes through the wall into the mixer, and it works out really well. It's nice to have a little separate place where I can go and kind of make music and rehearse. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.